Always oozing with confidence, the Usos look as ready as ever.
Yeah, it's hard to overstate how far Jimmy and Jay have come. They were in face paint over 10 years ago. Now they represent the Bloodline. With that backing behind them, there is nothing that can pull them off.
And you know their whole family is looking to them to carry the strong legacy further. We'll see how they fare tonight.
And if you've never seen an elimination tag team tornado match,
launch out to the outside.
That is reckless abandon being shown.
and paying off as well.
Hip drop.
I've been waiting to see that. Oh, into a powerbomb.
What goes up must come down, and it sure as hell did right there.
Oh, man, just punishing.
Referee in position.
Shot after shot, then slamming their face down. Michinoku driver, wow!
In a predicament.
He needs a little more than that to end things this early.
Flipped upside down there. Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the line. And an impactful display of offense we just witnessed there.
Precarious position here.
Electric chair, the face buster.
Some miscues from Jey Uso here. And a kick. Uh-oh. Took off the hood of the announce table.
Intentions in mind here.
Come on, Byron, get in front of me. No. Comes back into the ring.
Uh-oh.
Tag made. A little bit of fun from this entertaining tag team. Not sure their opponent feels that way. Oh! Can he score the pin? Only a 1 count before the kick out.
Close call, but not enough yet.
Not the position you want to be in right now.
They say everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. Well, someone just threw their plan out the window. Now we know what the 5 fingers say to the face.
Jey Uso just trying to humiliate his opponent now. Kick to the gut.
He'll head to the ring.
Cranked around into a neck breaker.
Getting carried. Unsure what they're thinking. Makes the cover. Shoulders up.
It's going to take a lot more to keep him down.
Here comes an atomic drop.
He's lost some of his win now.
Denied via a wicked punch to the stomach.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
Rapid fire Samoa drop.
Clearly no level off between these two with a display like that.
Jumping neck breaker. Ouch.
And for main event Jey Uso, this is as much about a mental advantage as a physical one.
Looks like he has his finger on the trigger now.
Vaulting clutch, incredible.
That's finding any which way to topple the competition.
Hurling your own body like that is insane.
He's looking to completely render this leg useless. Stump puller leg snap. Very effective.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now.
Oh, man. For a schoolboy.
Super kick!
It's always disorienting taking those hits above the shoulders.
Oh, right to the kidneys. You can't take much more of this.
And this is, well, it's not looking good.
Talk about dismantling your opponent.
Kick connects. Great defense by Knight.
Expected that one.
He's one step ahead there.
Heads up, fellas. This thing's about to get crazy.
What is
a very fragile boy.
Whip back into the ring.
No! Into a powerbomb.
And look at from a back suplex. And it's reversed.
Here it comes. Stay away from the worm. The tequila.
Well, that was a great counter to the single leg grab.
Nice running crossbody.
Could be some collateral damage on the way here.
Everyone needs to clear out, including us.
Inverted vertical suplex.
Powerbomb. Forearm club.
Knee straight to the gut, stays off the attack. Vicious. And another brutal attack on Cena.
Yeah, Jimmy knows you have to. Uso.
Jimmy might have just finished things.
Kicked out at one. Into the ref. Can't believe it.
I'm absolutely stunned. A display of near superhuman resilience.
After seeing that, it's hard to imagine.
This is it. He stopped the count for his partner.
Headbutt. Oh, that might have just broken something. You can see as he rises how vulnerable of a position he's in.
Solid contact by Jey Uso. Right, a quick response to Jay's offense.
Showing some extra scouting, knowing how to answer a counter with a counter of your own. Turn out the lights.
Drop kick. We see the attention being put on the torso area.
Carefully.
And Cena with the wherewithal to counter.
The cockiness of LA Knight, not even considering taking this seriously.
Hoping to end it here. This is it.
And there's the save. Ooh, got caught with a punch to the face.
Headbutt. Climbs back inside. Super kick. Ooh, what a damaging blow. Elbow drop.
His eyes are fixated. He's looking to end this.
Oh, God.
An absolutely foolhardy decision made there.
That could be very costly. Don't know if the risk is worth it.
Uh-oh. Flapjack. Way up there. Jimmy Uso with a well-timed shot. He paid for that one.
Oh, man.
Elbow drop. Got the single arm underhook into a nice takedown. Vicious right forearm. Cena ready to put this one to bed.
Simon.
Cena has him up. Elbow drop.
Right into the canvas for the attitude adjustment.
Look at Jay. His lights are off.
Does he get him here? Is enough to put him away? No, somehow kicked out.
Holy moly, how? Bodies have been decimated, fortitude has been tested, and these fans are showing their approval of these superstars.
Is it enough? Oh my, still alive.
How have we not claimed a winner yet?
You gotta believe that not wanting to feel the agony of defeat is causing this never surrender attitude.
Oh man, they do not care who or what they destroy.
Yeah, Byron, you are dangerously close to being collateral damage in this one. He saw it coming, taking advantage.
Right in the hard way.
Doombuster! Hip toss. Just breaking down the opponent. He gets back into the ring.
What is Cena thinking? Well, wait a minute. No way.
Cena's thinking about the end.
Attitude adjustment.
Is that going to decide it for Cena?
Ah, look at this, just cranking it out. Cranking the head. That'll do some serious damage. Uh-oh. Quick thinking pays off.
Incoming. Big time power.
Continues the... He could pin his opponent right here.
It's over.
Yeah, no, he doesn't get the 3.
He just won't give up.
Coming back into the ring, back to the action.
LA Knight kick to the gut. LA Knight with the BFT. Knight stamping an end.
Whenever tag team is on the docket, the mayhem multiplies. Here's the proof.
Here are your winners, John Cena and LA Knight.
A big win here tonight in this Tornado tag match.
In a hectic Tornado tag match, these two guys were able to stay focused and come out on top.